to Map TV. Today we're going to make a lavender flower. All you need to make this lavender flower is colored papers, and then you will need your scissors, a pen or a pencil, and a skewer for the stem, and a tape, and a glue, and a ruler to measure the flowers. Okay, and in order to do this, first we will have to cut this paper for the stem, to cut it in half. Then we will use the skewer, and you will start from the middle of the skewer and roll it. Roll the colored paper. You can either use a glue or tape, just a dot of glue. And then pull the stick, and here comes the stem for your flower. And for the flower, since we're making a lavender, we're choosing the color lavender or purple. So you will cut it into half. And fold it. And then draw a line of a ½ inch from the top. And then we will get the scissors and cut it. You will cut it vertically. After you're done cutting, make sure that you cut it from the bottom, and then you will flip it over like this, and then put the glue, a dot of glue on the side. And then roll it over here to the other side in order to make a loop. Then you will get the stem. And you can either glue it or use a tape. So today we'll be using a tape. And then you will start rolling the paper diagonally, going downwards. There. So continue rolling the paper downwards and diagonally. And you can either glue it or put a tape on the end. And this is how you make the leaves or the stem for this flower. And when you're done cutting, cutting it triangularly, and you can stick it at the bottom of this flower. And you can either glue the edge of the paper or tape it. And now you have the lavender flower. And thank you. Have a good day.